Hello, sir.
Hi,
Good
how are you?
morning.
Good
I'm
morning.
fine, sir.
So, really great to have you today, and I congratulate you at the very outset for scoring a very good rank in ESS and that too in AIMS for specialty of DM neurology.
Yes,
And
sir.
very glad to know that you have got rank number 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Rank 9 in neurology. AIMS rank and common medicine rank was rank 13, sir.
yes. I want to know from you, from where do you do your medicine, your master degrees, and from which place your native belong to from?
Sir, actually, I finished my MD from Jibmar, Pondicherry, sir. And my native is, I'm from Namakkal, sir, near Salem. Currently, I'm staying in Chennai, actually working as a senior resident in medicine in Chettinad Medical College. I finished my MD in March 2021 from Jibmar, sir.
Excellent. And why neurology? Why do you want to do neurology, DM neurology? What made you to work for that specialty?
So predominantly the currently only field where so much of clinical examination is only neurology, sir. And one more thing is I'm relatively having a little bit interest in teaching. So demonstrating findings, so many things are more in neurology, sir. Comparatively some peaceful environment also. Neurology. Yet stroke and epilepsy is there, I don't know. Still I'm telling so many factors are there to favoring me into neurology, sir. So like one is teaching, one is comparatively like konjam less friendly environment. So I wanted to pursue neurology, sir.
Excellent. I want to know from you the working strategy and what's the preparation strategy and how you made and came through this rank. And can we know your experience of your preparation?
Yes, sir, I'll share, sir. Actually, the thing is, everybody knows like last few months was like every so much of alterations, this, that kind of thing was there, sir. Yet for neurology, I don't know about other branches, but in neurology, I feel that the Bible, even for any entrance examination, is Harrison. So I read Harrison some 1 or 2 times fully, sir. The neurological part, not the majority of Harrison, like neurology, it will be given separately in first volume as well as second volume, neurocritical care, neuroinfections, the clinical approach, and the core neurology. Everything from Harrison. One thing I made was like I made that alone into a separate book. So I kept reading that book multiple times, sir, for neurological aspect. Medicine also I read few things, and medicine I watched videos of speed. Obviously, I was a student of Karthikeyan right from my third year, also from you, because when it was, I was doing my UG in Trichy, in Bishop Heber College, yourself and Karthikeyan, everybody used to come and take class. So I attended that. Then in Speed Trishur for my MD preparation time. There also, no, you might not be knowing me, sir, but I am seeing you for the quite long period of time. I'm taking, attending your classes for a quite long period of time. Yourself and Karthikeyan. And otherwise also this during this period I could not see many of the medicine videos. I felt it was really voluminous, but the neurology part I have seen everything, sir. And one more thing specifically I wanted to say, last minute for this high yield topics involving Joban to teach is that that is a really a great thing, sir, because Joban being fresh and he knows how to tell, what is much importance. It's like nutshell. When we read through or attend his class, we can at least score more than 40 to 50% from the class alone, sir. So Joban's way of teaching, I liked it and I attended his classes. Almost it was near to the exam, so I watched every classes directly in live classes only rather than video classes. But many other classes also I watched that recorded classes. Few faculty of mention is like I would like to say all those youngsters were really very good, sir, like Sri Vidya, Tushar sir, and so many other people in neurology, like everybody did. And Tamil Pavai ma'am, her contents were really good, sir. She has all the number, the slides and the content was comparatively good. Teaching wise, this Joban sir and so many other young faculties I would really appreciate because they are telling instead of reading so much, if you focus where to read and it's like, some tactical kind of way, observing them and learning those points. Sir. That's what. And I did not read much about this Bradley and all, sir. Like people used to say that entire Bradley, but I read Harrison completely. And those PPTs which are given as notes, no sir, in Speed app. So I revised those notes because that I felt like it contains many of the specialty book based some topics were there. So I revised those notes also, sir.
I think your traveling time with Speed is also quite long.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. From my, it was like I joined in 2011 UG, probably 2013 or 14 in my third MBBS came there. So I got myself attached as a student of Speed.
So it has worked. I think the
Yes,
frequency
sir.
has worked.
I won't say it like it's like a single 6 months of thing. Maybe a cumulative effort from that time. It has led me here.
Correct. Cumulative effect. And so, see, certain things we always say sentiment, it works for me. What about the interview? I mean, what did they ask you in interview? Can you share something about it?
Yeah, sir. Actually, for me, interview lasted about some 10 to 12 minutes, actually. I was given all three are clinical scenario for me. There were no images, but many people got images to describe it seems. But I got all three clinical scenarios. The first scenario was like 26-year-old female who has fever and headache for so 3 to 4 days, followed by irritability and altered sensorium. So they asked me, how will you approach this case? So I felt like, so fever, altered sensorium, irritability, headache, I would like to think in terms of CNS infections and like that. I proceeded, sir. Then I got leading questions like, what is postpartum CVT, young female? How will you see in meningitis? Then they gave me LP values and then they asked me about tubercular meningitis. That question was relatively okay, sir. And second question was again a young male, 20-year-old male who came with complaints of a long duration headache for about 4 years of headache, unilateral or bilateral, throbbing and associated with vomiting. So this was because of this long duration, I would like to choose or work up in terms of primary headache syndromes like that I told. And then I gave some 1 or 2 differentials. Then they asked me about acute and chronic management of migraine, which was also relatively easy. So I answered that question. The third was, again, a 36-year-old female, acute onset paraparesis with urinary problem for the last 3 days. How will you approach? So this was a common case that we are seeing day to day in medicine, what the acute onset paraparesis. So I told about like whether it UMN or LMN, I will approach like this. Then he told it is flaccid, completely flaccid, areflexia, plantaris mutans. Like even then also I would like to think in terms of cord lesion, transverse myelitis and spinal shock. So they were okay, sir. So they gave about, I think, 16 marks out of 20 in interview they gave, sir.
So your basic preparation was for NESS and AIMS or NEET?
Sir, it is like combined preparation only, sir. They were telling medicine, neurology. It was like, it was not a stable way of focus, sir. I was reading, yet some importance was given to specialty, followed by medicine also, sir. So, predominantly neurology, sir. Yet there were so many fallacies like to change this, that. I was focusing predominantly on neurology majority of the times.
Anything did you read in Bradley?
Sir, per se, I didn't read directly from Bradley books, sir. Maybe during my MD time, I would have read once this approach to ataxia and this thing, because they say that in more than an Harrison, this Bradley gives ataxia a relatively good thing. So I would have read Bradley ataxia only once in my MD, sir. But during this phase, it is completely Harrison. And my thing was like, whenever I get free time, I used to make a handwritten notes of these videos. So it is, since it was an app, no, I used to pass, I would write like that. I used to do that, sir. So comparatively, while reading in the last time, only my notes also like predominantly it helped.
Wonderful. Splendid. Now, I mean, what will be your advice to all your juniors or friends who are aspiring for DM neurology?
Sir, my advice will be like, even I have followed many of the videos previously in the same app. Actually, I will feel that Harrison is the best thing to read, sir. First of all, whether you are reading that many things or not, Harrison at least once or twice we should read. Like from what to say for for neurological aspect, you have to read from page to page. There are some 5 to 6 chapters in first volume: clinical approach, autoimmune encephalitis, neuroinfections, neurocritical care. So these are all the part in first volume. Second volume contains core theory of neurology in Harrison. So everything has to be combined and read. In AIMS, many practically based questions, sir. So thrombolysis is there, which is indicated, what is not indicated. How will you assess in NIHS score? What is this? So predominantly stroke and seizure part, we have to read the entire thing, I feel, sir. Stroke and seizures.
So the 80 questions, how many questions are from Harrison Neurology and Bradley Neurology? Only in neurology part I'm asking.
Actually, the question pattern was like mostly 55-25 kind of, 55 neurology and 25 was around medicine kind of thing, sir. And in that 55, I can say around 30 plus, 30 to 40 might be, 30 plus would have been from Harrison only, sir. Remaining 20 questions might be from Bradley.
Bradley.
Yes, sir.
So can we keep it as 50-50? Somewhere between 50% Harrison, 50% Bradley, approximately.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 50-50 we can keep, sir. Maybe
50-50.
This is like this stroke guidelines and NIHS score, thrombolysis. I think that and all though, even though sometimes this recent guidelines we have to read, I feel, sir, especially for stroke. This 2018-19 guidelines was there. That has to be read fully. Until the new changes comes, we have to follow that guidelines fully. We have to read. Seizure was also very important.
Okay.
I felt stroke and seizure alone occupied around 20 questions in my exam papers out of 80.
Okay. So, I mean, did you read the series in Harrison of Dr. Karthikeyan's and Crash Course for Integrated Medicines of specialty teachers for general medicine?
Yes, sir. Actually, I watched his videos. Harrison 20th edition based videos separately was there, and recently this high yield topics of Harrison was also included. I was not having much of time to see this high yield, sir, because that was very recent. I was revising through the neurology whichever I was reading previously. So I have seen almost a majority like hematology, rheumat, and a few more topics I have watched in Harrison 20th edition, sir. And after giving INISET also, I was watching this high yield videos from Karthikeyan, sir. Table based, and this was newly added, no? That I was watching, sir, actually.
We are planning for a NEET SS.
I'll write, but the same scenario was there. Actually.
So you will write, but you will decide.
I'll decide, yes, sir. I'll write for my experience probably. I'll just write and see how is it like that.
Yeah.
Because I was not preparing for the last 5 to 7 days, sir. I was like not touch with that book. Maybe I will read now and then I'll write things.
Great. And I wish you all the best and all the success as a great neurologist in years to come. And you will do really great. I mean, may I convey my regards to all your family members and friends. God
Thank
bless
you so much, sir. Thank you. Sir, one more thing from my side, sir. I wish like this extended greetings and many thanks to two people from my side, like one is Dr. Joban from neurology and another one is Dr. Karthikeyan from medicine, sir. Please convey the same to them also, sir.
Sure, I will get this to them and also put across this video to them. They'll be really happy to watch this.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.